Hello guys! For my next two videos, I'll be doing a house tour of Ajoya Cabanatuan's 3-bedroom single detached and 4-bedroom single detached units. Miss Micah Martinez, Miss World Philippines 2021 Nueva Ecija representative, will guide us along this amazing tour. Let's start with the 3-bedroom house tour.
Good day everyone, I am Micah, your Miss Universe Philippines 2021, and today I will help you find your center here at Ajoya Cabanatuan. Let us start our tour here at the entrance of Ajoya Cabanatuan, where you can see the town plaza lined with 3-story shop houses. The town plaza will house different retail and F&B establishments that cater to your needs. Located in Barangay Valle Cruz, here in Nueva Ecija, the main rice-growing province of the Philippines, there's actually a misconception that Nueva Ecija is far from Metro Manila, but it's just a 3-hour quick drive. Families and children have a safe space to run and play. We also have walkways that make the town plaza and amenities accessible within a 5-minute walk. And indeed, walking here feels safe and fun. Let's now go to our first model house tour for the day. The 3-bedroom house single detached. What I really like about all of the house units are the porch designs. Other than this gorgeous contemporary look, you can design this porch to your liking. I can imagine spending time here with family, doing outdoor activities with your kids or with your friends. So let's go inside and take a look at the interiors. Entering the house, you are welcomed with its beautiful living room space, and just by the look and feel of this room, I can imagine myself chilling in this sofa right here, watching TV or playing games. And also the accent wall right here gives off this very modern vibe, and I can also see myself relaxing here. And after a very long day from work, this is the perfect space where you can bond with your family, just relax, share some stories and laughter with your kids. So next to the living room, the dining and the kitchen area. So the kitchen area over here looks very nice and clean. So the basic needs for cooking is just within your reach. And with this much space, you can actually design the kitchen and the dining room area according to your taste. And for a person like me who loves to cook and loves to cook for my family, I really appreciate how this kitchen was decorated. And can you see the space in front of me? You can also add maybe a kitchen counter, an additional table. So now how about we head on upstairs? Now here on the second floor is where you can gain access to the bedrooms. Looking at this first bedroom, I can say that this is a great design idea in a children's bedroom. So in this room, you can easily turn it into something they love. And just look at this collage of Marvel photos. It's really full of adventure every single day. So let's now move on to the next bedroom. Now this bedroom has calming pastel colors with a bed type that makes it very cozy. It can be perfect room for a girl, and this room has the most calming shade of blush pink. I'm very sure she will feel like a princess with this kind of setup. So now let's head on to the master's bedroom. So right here we have the balcony where you can see the Ajoya Cabanatuan community. Of course, this master's bedroom is the most spacious room. So after a long day of school and work, I can say that these bedrooms will make you feel relaxed and well-rested. So the second floor also has a toilet and bath that has the same look and feel as what we have checked in the first floor. As I think all of you have observed, all the houses here are designed with upward movement lines that symbolize Cabanatuan's progressive outlook. So it's one of my most favorite features that is unique here at Ajoya Cabanatuan. There is so much more to see in this property, but checking out the area here, I can tell you guys that the best moments of your life of your family can indeed happen here in this property. So we are so happy to share that Ajoya Cabanatuan has an appreciation rate of 145% since its launch in 2018. So what are you waiting for? If you want to know more about the units, please like our Facebook pages at Ajoya Official and at Ajoya Global to get updated on the latest in the Ajoya Cabanatuan community. That's all for today. And again, this is Micah. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.
Thank you, Miss Micah, for this amazing tour. You can copy and use this design as a reference for the interior design of your new home in Ajoya Cabanatuan. By the way, all the lots and house and lots are both available through bank and pag-ibig financing. And if you want to have a copy of the detailed computation, kindly direct message me on my Facebook page. Let me know if you like this 3-bedroom single detached house tour by leaving a comment down below. Click the like and subscribe buttons for more content like this. Follow me on my Facebook page, Twitter, and Instagram at Desay Barretto. And if you're interested to invest now in Ajoya Cabanatuan or book a visit to this amazing development, just send me a direct message on my Facebook page. By the way, abangan nyo and don't forget to check out my other house tour video of the 4-bedroom single detached of Ajoya Cabanatuan. See you in my next video. God bless!